Hey, photo students! No crazy introductions, just going to get right to it this week. Welcome to week 4 of online learning. Crazy, we're already on week 4, right? You guys have been doing a really good job of engagement and turning some photos. I want you guys to know that the photos that have been turned in, I have shared like 60 of those, and that's just the past 3 weeks that you guys have, what you've turned in. I shared about 60 of your photos with lots of people. By that, I mean like the superintendent of the district and the art curriculum guide of the district, shared it with the administrators of Topeka High, shared it with the staff of Topeka High, and shared it with the Topeka Capital Public Journal. So, lots of people have seen your work, and I have gotten lots of responses saying how great your guys' work is, how beautiful it is, the landscapes, the silhouettes, the sunsets, lots and lots of great compliments. I wanted you guys to know that. So even though we're on quarantine and I don't see you guys as much as I want to, I am still promoting you as much as I can, showing everybody how awesome of work you guys are doing. Right? So, since you guys have been doing awesome work, this is the middle of 7 weeks. 8th week would be your finals week. We're going to take like a little pause on things. I'm going to try to slow it down just a little bit for you guys and help you out. All right? Photo 1 and Photo 2, your last 2 photos assignments were a little bit tougher and thought-provoking. And I've been having you guys turn stuff in weekly versus giving you 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks to work on a project. So, if you are behind on anything, Photo 1, Photo 2, Photo 3, this is your week to catch up. No new photo assignments, okay? Use this week to turn in previous assignments if you need to. Photo 1, work on your motion photos. That is by far your hardest shooting project of the semester, and you don't have the DSLRs. You've got your cell phone cameras. You're going to have to be innovative and creative. If you need ideas of what to take pictures of, email me. Check it on the Zoom meeting, okay? But you can grab simple stuff, like, for instance, a foam noodle that has a light in it. You move it real fast, and see, even on this screen, you can see the blur motion. If you have a fast enough camera, you'll be able to get it frozen, okay? So those are simple ideas for you, Photo 1. Photo 2, continue to work on your reflection and your candids. Try to grab people in their more natural settings, okay? In reflection, you can use lots of surfaces, water, mirrors, glass, all right? And crazy substances like oil. Oil is dark enough that not only does it reflect, but it reflects the color as well. So when I was changing the oil in my mower, I was able to see the blue sky reflected in my pan. Pretty cool stuff. Photo 3. You guys, I want you to continue to work on your big projects. You've already done 2 weeks worth of shooting. Now I want you guys to work on some edits and turning in some edits. Okay? Those are your student assignments, Photo 1 through 3. So you can see Photo 1 and 2, no new photo assignments. You're getting time to catch up. In Photo 3, you're just getting time to edit your photos. Here is what I'm going to have everybody else do instead this week. Monday, definitely check in the video. Make your reply comment. I'll let you know the question at the end of this. By Wednesday, I want people to think about taking pictures and editing with the equipment we have at school, like the DSLRs and the laptops, and then what they've had to use at home, your cell phones. Which do you like better? Which have you found easier to work with, and why? That question will be loaded on Classroom for you. Then by Saturday, I want you to watch your favorite show or movie, and I want you to look at the similarities and differences of what's happening in video production as what happens in photography. For instance, your lighting, side light, okay? your white balance, what the color looks like, the film speed, the sound even, and things like how do they place emphasis on the person when they're speaking? What happens to the person? What happens to the background? I don't just want you to watch it. I want you to observe it with a photographer's eye, and I want you to write comments down. So for this week, you're just getting a couple of written things to fill in on, and then you're getting extra time to work on the previous photo assignments that I've given you, whether you need to take photos or edit photos. This will give us a nice pause and allow us to continue to move forward into the rest of the semester. Okay? Photo 1, also start thinking about your photo journal. I'm going to attach an example to the weekly video. So I want you to scope it out, start working on it. That will be due during finals week, week 8. Photo 2, you guys will be doing your reflection paper for your final. You can start thinking about that now. Okay? You can start typing it. It's going to be 2 pages. What worked, what didn't work. I'll have some prompts for you for that as well. Start thinking. Okay? Trojan time. Make sure that you guys are not only checking in with me, but checking in with all of your teachers, making sure you're getting up to date with everything. We miss you guys. It's nice for you guys to check in, and this goes for everybody, whether you're checking in through an email or you're turning in an assignment or you pop in through a Zoom video. It's nice to know that you guys are alive and that you're doing okay. Some kind of check-in is better than no check-in, for real. So, love you guys, miss you. The question for this week is, what is your favorite movie and why? Maybe. For me, I love The Crow. I could watch it over and over and over again. There's just lots of things that happen with the dark grittiness, with the filmography that's happening, with the supernatural aspect. It's based off of a comic book. Go figure. So, what is your favorite movie? All right? And work on those written assignments and work on catching up with your photos. Okay? And maybe check in on a Zoom meeting or something. I don't know. Miss you guys. Really do. So, and like I said, thank you for turning photos. You guys are doing a really good job. The more photos you turn in, the more I'm going to share them, and the more people are going to love them. You guys have no idea how much your photos have brightened other people's day. So, remember, you may feel like you're not doing anything, but you're sitting at home and you're still making a difference just by turning in photos, just by doing some art. So, alright. Love you guys. Have a good week.